Imagine cruising through the open road, not in a bulky RV or a traditional camper, but on a sleek, three-wheeled marvel that looks like it rolled right out of a sci-fi movie. Welcome to the future of travel. Introducing the 2026 Futuristic Camper Tricycle RV. This isn't just another concept vehicle. It's the perfect blend of mobility, sustainability, and innovation that redefines the way we think about road trips and off-grid living. The 2026 Futuristic Camper Tricycle RV is a game-changer for solo travelers, digital nomads, and adventurous couples. With its aerodynamic design and compact structure, it glides smoothly through urban streets and rugged terrains alike. Powered entirely by a hybrid electric system, it not only reduces your carbon footprint but also ensures long-distance capability without relying solely on charging stations. Imagine the freedom of going off-grid without ever compromising on power, comfort, or convenience. Let's talk about the design. This Trike RV Hybrid features a cutting-edge monocoque body made from ultra-lightweight composite materials. That means increased durability without the extra weight, enhancing performance and efficiency. The Trike's front features a panoramic smart windshield with augmented reality navigation and adaptive glare reduction, keeping you safe and connected no matter where you are. With a narrow front and wide rear, stability and aerodynamics are perfectly balanced, making the ride both thrilling and secure. As you hop inside, you're greeted with an interior that's nothing short of incredible. It feels more like a high-tech cocoon than a camper. The RV section of the Trike opens up with expandable modules that increase the living space when parked. There's a convertible sleeping pod, a compact kitchenette with smart appliances, and a modular workspace that adapts to your needs. Everything is voice-activated, from the lighting to the climate control. And yes, it's fully solar integrated. Panels across the roof and sides automatically adjust to the sun's angle, harvesting energy while you're on the move or chilling at a remote campsite. Connectivity is at the heart of this camper. With 5G satellite integration, you're never out of touch. Whether you're uploading your latest travel vlog, video calling family, or attending a virtual meeting, the camper ensures smooth, uninterrupted service even in the most remote locations. And thanks to AI-powered route optimization, it constantly suggests the most scenic, safe, and efficient paths based on real-time weather and traffic data. Safety and sustainability also take center stage. Advanced driver assist systems, collision avoidance sensors, and automatic emergency braking make it one of the safest RVs on the road. Its regenerative braking system and smart battery management allow for greater range and less wear on components, making it a smart investment for long-term travel. Plus, all the materials used in the interior are eco-friendly, right down to the bamboo flooring and recycled upholstery. Now imagine parking your camper Trike by a lakeside. You open the rear fold-out deck, unfold a solar-powered awning, and settle into a cozy outdoor workspace or dining area. The 2026 Futuristic Camper Tricycle RV turns any location into home, office, or playground. It's a lifestyle on three wheels, offering the freedom to explore with the comforts of modern living always within reach. Whether you're a minimalist, an explorer, or just someone who loves smart innovation, this camper Trike represents the ultimate shift in travel culture. It's not just about the destination anymore. It's about how you get there, how lightly you tread on the planet, and how comfortably you live while doing it. The future is here, and it's rolling on three wheels.